go pee in a cup because it's needed for very important research. Or so they tell me.
They wanted to like test our urine for some like either hormone levels or I don't know.
Tools of the trade.
We had to do thank you messages to each other, potentially for even the smallest little things.
Go away.
Oh, we're not coming with you?
No.
Oh, I guess we'll wait here then.
GTFO.
Because they wanted to see like what the difference was, or whether like talking to the person through video was different than talking to face. Mine was kind of more emotional. Well, I cried. I thought the study was really interesting.
And now we play the waiting game.
Yeah, you might want to not wait.
Go ahead, you go.
It's going to take a while.
Okay, so go. Get out of here. So now we set up camp.
In Citizen Hall, about to participate in the study. It's really quiet in here, a little freaky. Kind of creeps me out. Here we go.
Science!
I don't know where I am, but just got done with the virtual environment study, and it was pretty darn cool. I was thrown into a virtual environment where I had to look around and pick up things and manipulate things. And the coolest part of the experiment was definitely, there was one room that I entered that I walked in, and there was a giant pit in front of me. Like huge, like easily like 30 feet deep. It was freaky. It was one of those things that, like, I knew it was fake, like I knew it wasn't real, and I knew I could just walk into the hole and I'd be on ground, but my mind told me that that was a bad idea because there was a giant pit in front of me. Video games is the future.
I get to help them learn about decision making. This will be interesting because I am not a very decisive person. I mean, I can make decisions, but not really.
Headed into this research study, see how it goes. All I know is decision making is what I need to do. That's all I've been told. So we'll see what happens. I'll tell you about it after.
This is Jessie. She did the thing with me. Actually, we were in the same room. I didn't realize. How much money did you get?
$7.60.
Nice. I got $8.30.
Yeah, I looked at the people's before me, and like one of them was
$9.50,
and I was like, oh, you little liar.
Liar. I just went top, bottom, top, bottom.
So I switched it whenever it did badly for me.
As we're going through it, I started thinking, this doesn't make any sense. Why would they have us select which one we chose after we see the result? And I could only come up with one solution. They weren't testing which
Were they testing our
top
fidelity?
yeah, they weren't testing top or bottom, like which decision we make. We're testing whether we decided to cheat or not. And that made sense in the survey after. Do you recall in the survey it was asking about, what's right or wrong, morally speaking? Asked about our moral.
They were like, why would they ask me that?
Participate in research studies. Do it.
It is done.